Hi, in this video I'll show you how to manage dozens of courses and folders at once without unnecessary clicks. Bulk actions are a tool that lets you in one click delete outdated content, copy courses and folders to other academies, or ungroup folder, instantly moving their content to the general list. To get started, go to the Content section, click the setting icon in the upper right corner, and select Bulk Actions. Now select the courses or folders you need. Click the circle in the upper right corner of the card. A toolbar with all available actions will appear in the bottom right away. The panel contains the following options. Select all content, instantly checks all courses on the page. A cross button ungroups a folder, moving its content to the general list. Copy to copies the selected item to another academy. Copy duplicates the content within the current academy. The trash can icon deletes the content. And cancel allows you to exit selected mode. Important: deleting courses is irreversible. Once it's deleted, you won't be able to restore them, along with all associated data. Bulk action feature allows you to automate content management and it saves your time. Hope it helps and good luck with your academy.